Sophisticated ladies. My name is Penny. I am the owner of the Sophisticated Lifestyle Boutique, and I am just doing a small unboxing video. I already know what it is, so I got everything here prepared for it. I went ahead and ordered myself my personal brand cell phone case, and I'm kind of just going to show you what it looks like. There goes the boxes. Be stronger than me. You know. Oh god. very secure packaging. You know, everybody ain't able. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you receive it. It's packaged up real nicely, and it's inside this nice little cloth baggie. And this is just the invoice. Alright. Look at that. Oh, look at sophisticated, classy. So when I'm not talking, my phone's making a statement for me. And I am going to place my bejeweled pop socket on the back of it. After I've used the pop socket one time, I can never go back to a phone case without it. Cause like, it's easy. You know, I can just stick my little hand right here and it holds it. I take the perfect selfies with it. And I'm just gonna, some people put theirs in the center, but I'm kind of quirky, so I'm just gonna put mine down to the side so that when I'm at night, I can just place my hand right here. It's just easier for me to hold when it's like this, you know? So the pop sockets, it does have the little sticker protected on there, and you know, once you place it, it's kind of like that's it. Like, it is so secure that once you place it, it don't really want to come off, you know. That's what we want though. So I just took my sticker off, and I'm about to go and place it on my case. And I want my bejeweled to sit up, you know. I want to have it vertical, not so much as horizontal. Oh shit, I don't know. Okay, that's perfect for me. And you see how I just paired those two together. Pink is my favorite color. It's also very feminine and very soft, very classy. So I paired the nice pink crystal with the pink lips, and it just complements each other. I mean, I want to get it so that y'all can really just see it. There it goes. Yeah, see how classy that looks. And then when you're taking your pictures in your mirror, you're holding your phone. All right, so that is it, ladies. Let me see. The pop socket is $12.99, and the phone cases are $26.99. When I ordered it took me about 2 weeks because they are a custom item, and custom items have to, you know, take a little bit to get made. But once you get it and receive it, you'll be happy, you know. It's worth the wait. Some things are worth waiting for. So, ladies, you have a wonderful day, and you stay classy.